that's not LucidFlex, that's Lucid Pro. Dang it. What's up, Magnifique? You're the first one here. W again, Asian, yes. I did get a small win during Asian session. What's up, Dean? Are we bullish or bearish? I think we're bullish. At least for market open. We could reverse. But, I mean, this looks bullish to me. What's up with this candle, though? Was it Trump? What did he say this time? Iran wants to make a deal now. I don't believe anything until it's done. Wants, planning. These are all just empty words. Morning, Jerome. I think we'll at least sweep this. Either we keep going up or we're going to sweep and then correct. We'll see. All right, I guess we're going up before market open. Looks like a W last night. Yeah, straight off the right when the market opened back up. I got a setup, took it. That was about it. I didn't see anything else after that. So I was like kind of glad. You could imagine my heart sank when it did this. Like I got in right here. I'm like, okay, it's going up slowly. And then boom. It's like, oh no. Oh no. But then it kept going back up. So I was like, yes. And it looks like I kind of got out at the top too. Right when I got out, like we retested this level and then we just started dumping like so hard. So I got lucky. Good morning, philosopher. All right, look at that reversal. Interesting. Maybe when the market opens, we'll like sweep like down here, even to maybe here, and then go back up. That sounds like an idea. Finally in the positive with the rapid account. 148. Morning, Kevin. Can I ask for a payout now or now? I need, it says I need to generate at least $1,100 of profit, and then request amount must be at least 500. So I can't take a payout until 1,600. Yeah. Morning, Anthony. What's up, poor guy? Those rapid accounts, I'm still a bit cautious. So if you're in a trade and it retraces against you, but still hits your TP, you get punished for it. No, it shouldn't. As long as it hits your TP, you're not punished. If it doesn't, then you get punished because of the intraday. Good morning, Tris. Unless you know something that I don't. Okay, what if it hits break even? Yeah, if it hits break even, you're punished. Your max drawdown goes up with the highest number that the profit went up to. So if the trade goes up to your close to your profit or TP, but then comes back down and you get break even, then your drawdown comes up and stays there. Is the market open? Oh, the market's open. Okay, cool. Let's see if it sweep the high here. That sucks. Yeah, that's why everybody hates intraday. But if you're a scalper, let's say your TP is like super not that high, then it doesn't matter if it comes back down because it went up so little and your TP so little. Intraday sucks for people that goes for like 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 ratio trades because you don't want to see that retracement once you get in the trade. Y'all, I made the worst mistake last night. I guess I had a limit order on MNQ. It got triggered. I had clicked to MES. Was on that for a bit, not realizing MNQ was live. Went on another account, then wanted to get on that one account before I logged off. It was moving. I didn't know where it was. I found it and I was up 900. Wow. Okay. Sounds like your best mistake. I don't see how that could be your worst, but yeah, that's scary. Make sure you always flatten your trade. If you're using Trade Evade, if you have the trade mode up here, there's a flatten button, the gray one. Yeah, I've made that mistake before too, but unfortunately it didn't make me any money. That's where that meme comes from. Like you're sleeping and you hear order failed. Like all of a sudden that's the meme. That's where it comes from. But hey, free $900. Easy. And you didn't get that alert? Oh, because you were logged off for that account? That's yeah. Can you imagine like logging back on and it's like blown? The account's blown. We bounced right off of the high here. Looks like we're going straight to the moon. It was your funded? Wow. That's even worse. But good, because that's real money that you can take out. You should celebrate by buying more evals with that free $900. I was looking everywhere because it was moving. I didn't see where the order was. Well, when you saw it, was it like you were in the positive? So, cause like if I don't know where the order is, I just flatten the trade. Like it doesn't matter where it is. If I'm in the negative, I'm like, okay, I need to kill this right now. Morning Smooth. That's what you did, yeah. Like I'm so used to like, what do you call that? That panic mode that if something's off, I don't even think about where the issue is. I just go flatten. Right? I just like don't even care where it is. I don't even care what I did. I can just think about that later after I assess the damage. But just flat, flat, flat. Get out, get out, get out. Let's make this a good day. Yeah, let's have a good Friday and end the week strong. If I'm negative, I'll say let me wait for $1 positive, and we know how that ends. Yeah, don't do that. Even if you log on and then you see your account like down, I don't know, $300, don't wait. Just kill it. I was on MES. I just canceled exit all. Yeah. Since I was up, I kept looking and then just got out. Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, I probably would have done that too. If I'm up 900-ish, I'll just look at that number. Like I don't care where the order is, and like if it comes down to like 800-ish, I'm like, okay, I better get out. But yeah, for sure, if I'm up, yeah, I will take my time. But that is also another benefit of just sticking to one thing. It's kind of hard to lose track of where things are because you're only looking at one thing, so you have a pretty good idea. But like I'm sure if you're jumping around, even jumping around from mini to micro, I would make that mistake all the time. Like I want to get in on MES, but then I get in on ES, vice versa. Even like a few days ago, people were talking about NQ, and then I had a NQ chart up on my trading view, and then after the stream, I thought the chart that I was looking at was ES the whole time. So I was like, okay, no setup, no setup. And then I look over here on my trade evade and I see something forming, but then here I'm like, I don't see anything, and then I realized that it was NQ the whole time. So it's like I need to remember to kind of like make sure if I'm looking at NQ, I go back to ES and I don't forget. I got the 150 Apex, put 3K on that short last night. Thanks for the duck raise. Oh, nice. Awesome. I want you to pass that and get to payout. What's up, Dixon? It's been a while, yeah. Welcome back, man. I've blown accounts like that. I thought I was on micros, but entered 3 minis. Yeah, all the time. That's why I don't mess around with anything else. Just because I'm that stupid and I make that mistake, and I don't want to make that mistake. Gotta keep it simpler for yourself, you know? Make it simple, stupid. Or keep it simple, stupid. Needless to say, I won't be going on another chart without exiting all trades, yeah. That's probably a good habit to have. Just get used to, you know, clicking that, you know, exit all. Even if I get out of a trade, I click that, flatten all just in case. And that's a good habit to have. Yes, kiss. I said miss at first. Make it simple, stupid. Maybe it's coming back down. Wait, did we just make all-time highs? Or am I tripping? Okay, I am tripping. Just kidding. All-time high is 7,650. But we did take out the local high, like over here. Whoa. We took out this high. And this one. But we're still down from all-time highs. We're doing a 10 a.m. reversal a little early today. Or this could be a Judas swing. And now we're going to go down and tag all these lows. But if we go back up, I'm going to get a setup. Yeah, that's a reversal for sure. That's called FU to all the longs. A big FU. Or let me see what happened yesterday. I feel like this is similar to what happened yesterday. I could be wrong. Was it here? Okay, it's not similar. Okay, it's different. It's way different. Never mind. All right, here's the IFVG, right? You're supposed to do something with this. I don't know. Bro, finally using the algo. Is this the answer to every question? Is this the answer? I'm waiting for posts on Twitter about how this IFEG worked or didn't work. Oh my god, are we really gonna bounce after this is a donut? Okay. That's crazy. I mean, we can still fall back down, right? But it seems crazy that we're gonna bounce like that. We are going up. It might give me a setup. Bruh. Trying to give me a setup or what? TP hit, nice. Yeah, I would have never thought you would long here. That's crazy. This is like the traditional, oh, this is support, right? And then sometimes that works. All right, I might get something. What's up, hero? All right, I'm looking for direction. Show me the way. Jeez, looks like a long to me. All right, I'm gonna go along 76.01 flat. If this doesn't dip back down. Okay, never mind. This is not what I want to see. It's gonna cut it close. Going long. I'm gonna get tagged in right here.
Order filled.
I'm in. I want to see that bounce. Not come back down. Come on, let's keep pushing up. No, we're coming down. That's bad. I might be cooked. If we don't see a bounce right here, we're done. Okay, so far it's okay. We just don't want to see a sell-off. Okay, nice. Keep going. Beautiful stuff right here. Let's just keep pushing. Let's go. But it's still scary. It's still scary. It could still sell off. Does it have the juice to keep going? It's selling off kind of. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is good. Let's keep going out. Don't come down. Don't come down. You cannot come down after that. Come on, you can't come down. You gotta keep going up. You have to. Are we doing this again, like yesterday? Oh my god. Why are we selling off? Just keep pushing up. We're like stuck here again. And it's coming back down. I mean, this is okay. No, it's not okay. because it's gonna dip back down. Come on, we can go higher. We have this high right here that we can at least take, hopefully. But it's not wanting to. Struggling. Oh my god, no way. No way, no way. I think we're rolling over. Yeah, see, we're coming back down. Oh my god. That's too bad. Can't believe we couldn't take this high, at least. I think if we don't bounce out of here pretty quick, then I'm probably cooked. Yeah. Doesn't look too good. Raise the stop to break even? Nah. We're going all in. It's do or die right now. And I'll probably die. Because we're not seeing the bounce here. I just don't understand. It couldn't give me that one last push. We're doing so well. All right, we're recovering somewhat. This could still make a lower high though, so I'm not gonna speak too soon yet. But not bad, not bad. I like this so far. It could dump back down right here, or it could keep going up. Come on, let's go. Let's get the highs now. Come on, come on. No. Yes, 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 yes. No. That's bad. That's a bad sell-off. Yeah, wow. It gave me another little bit of hope just to do this. Yeah, that's a bad reversal candle right there. No, no, yes, yes, no, no. That's my life, you know? That's my sophisticated commentary right there. I mean, we came back up. I don't mind this. I think it wants to go higher. God, is it gonna dump? There we go. All right, I'm gonna move my stop. Pretty soon here, if we keep going up though, like, come on. Give me some good. Let's go. Keep going. Bruh. Oh my god. Don't come back down. Do not do it. No. Oh my God. All right. Gave me another small piece of hope just to snuff it away. W market makers watching my stream right now. It's 10 a.m. reversal time. Crap. I'm cooked. Now it's gonna fall back down. It's too late now. I'm gonna get reversed. I just can't fight 10 a.m. reversal, man. It's too strong. It's stronger than me. We made equal highs here. So, I mean, hopefully it goes up there to tag it. Yeah, it doesn't look too good here. I just don't see how this could go up. We're getting reversed. Okay, we're gonna try again. Third time here. God, we still have 20 seconds though. So anything can happen. So far, so good. 10 seconds left. Making another equal high. Just so we can dump back down. All right. I'll move my stop now, okay? I'll move my stop now. It is what it is. All right. Okay, now it's going to come back down. One tick away from my TP. Just like yesterday. What's new? Oh my God. That's funny. Hey, this is not bad. We can get it next candle. Come on. Oh my God. Hold. Hodl. 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 Come on. Hodl. What, Steve? Come here. I'm in the battle of my life here. One tick away. One tick away. No. Oh my God. Bruh. I'm gonna flatten it if we touch the TP. I don't get filled. Oh my god. Hey, at least this is gonna be an entertaining trade, you know? Oh my god. There it is.
Stop filled.
All right, win is a win, okay? I didn't lose money. Thank you for the W's after that, even though it's not a W. Do you think it'll go back up now? Yeah, it'll probably go back up now. TP at the previous high. I thought about it, but it's not my style, you know? Gotta keep it juicy for the content. Man. Two times, one tick away. If you didn't lose money, it's a win. Yeah. Yeah, I will try to tell myself that to make me feel better, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh my god, it's going back up now. What's up, Steve? No, maybe not. I don't know. Revenge trade, let's go. All right. Gotta keep it super entertaining. You know what this is though? This is proof that market makers are watching me, okay? It's like it was edging me right there. On purpose. You know what? I would feel amazing if we fall back down now. Okay? The market makers envy your positions, yeah. Man, I can't get over it. One tick away. But I mean, you know, this kind of stuff happens. It's funny that it happened yesterday too. I can't really talk on it, but I'm still gonna die on the hill that this doesn't happen that often, okay? Like, so it's worth it for me to just stick around to get to the finish line because this happens maybe once or twice a month. But like you said, you know, I didn't lose money, so why not go for the finish line since I have a backup. It works both ways. Sometimes it almost stops you out and reverses. Yeah, that happens, you know, many times too. Like I can think of maybe 2 times this week where I would move my stop, but it would fall, not tag me out, and then reverse back up. So it's just unlucky. It's a probability game, you know? And even if there was a low probability that it might come down to tag me out, it's still a probability, and I was on the wrong side today. Use those profits for another go, yeah. Revenge trade time, let's go. 10 a.m. reversal would have worked, but I didn't take it. Yeah. Well, it looks like what was I gonna say? Like I said, don't fight the 10 a.m. reversal. Wow, what if we go up here? My stop was at 96. So if I stayed in here, technically I'm still okay. And as you guys know, my target would have been one tick above right here. So if I stayed in, I would be still in it. I just can't short here. Yeah. Wait, am I getting another setup? Is that a thing? That's a thing, I guess. Because technically we already broke out of the 9 a.m. range and closed back inside. So I'm getting another setup here, boys. The entertainment is not over. We broke out and then came back in. Now we're going back up. All right, let's move on. We're done with this trade, so let's not dwell on it. But I'm looking for direction now. We're digging into the first bearish fair value gap after 10 a.m. So we could be bearish now. Or we could react off of that fair value gap right now. And it could be a short for me. I think we're reversing. So where the first 60 minutes has been garbage in New York for like 2 weeks straight, yeah. Everybody's been saying, you know, how either they're switching from NQ to ES or switching from New York to Asian session. They just can't handle it. And I agree. Because like it wasn't that long ago where I would take trades right off of market open and I would lose like every day. And you could argue that I still haven't been winning because my trades haven't been working out to its full potential. I've been getting stopped out yesterday and today around this time. All right, waiting on direction right now. I'm leaning towards a short because, you know, 10 a.m. reversal and all. But I could change my mind. Yeah, I think it's a short. Yeah, I would have been stopped out right there. Gross. I'm gonna go short 99 and 50 cents here. What? Why is it bouncing? I don't like that. Man, if it goes back up right when I short, that would be the ultimate FU to my first trading and all. All right, going short. Okay, I should have been. Okay, I'm tagged. All right, I'm in. I'm in, guys. Hopefully this doesn't do a big FU green candle and go for the top now. Can we dump and not go up? This is not good. Yikes. Why do we have to close like this? Come on, dump. It's taking its sweet time. I don't feel good about it. Okay, there's the big green FU candle right there. Of course. Hey, I'm trying to do the 10M reversal finally, okay? Please, let's work out. Make me look good. Oh my god. Crazy green candle right now. What, Steve? Come here. Yeah, I unless we dump right now, I'm cooked. Yeah, I think it wants to go higher. That sucks. What, Steve? Hello. We're coming down. We're coming down. Oh, nice. I like this. Not bad. This is not bad at all. Don't go over there, Steve. Oh, nice. I gotta move my stop. Come on. I need a little bit more than that. Give me a little bit more. Take out that low. I'll move my stop if we take out that low. Come on, don't get bought up. Bro. That's lame. It could have gave me way more. Oh my god. Am I cooked, guys? I'm probably cooked. There's no way it's coming down after that. We're defending this for some reason. And not giving me the 10 AM reversal. And we're making these smooth highs right now, stair stepping down. That's not good either. I feel like we're gonna sweep this super clean. I don't see how this could come down. We're just gonna get bought up. Okay. Yes. Don't tell me we're wicking again. Don't tell me we're wicking again. Don't do that. Don't do it. We're not wicking right here. Okay, there we go. Keep going. 20 seconds left. We're wicking again. Why? Come on, take out that red wick. All right. One tick. Yes.
Filled.
Woo! Let's go. Oh my god. All right, sorry guys. I didn't check the chat. I love that your cat is named Steve. I think it's a good name. Finally. You gotta go with the 10 AM reversal, you know? You can't fight that. That's my lesson. Never fight 10 AM reversal. I've already done 2 giveaways, Anthony. I have no more. You've been killing it this week. Good stuff. Thank you, Josh. All right, maybe I can do 1. I can give away 1. Like, I'm trying to save up so I can do a bigger one, but you guys are like, I mean, I do feel good, you know? So it's like, I do feel good. All right, let me update my panel first, because that's my favorite time of the stream. This week your trading was amazing. Thank you. Am I gonna get the payout? I don't know. We'll see, man. Hopefully. It'd be my first payout this year. All right, I'll do the G word, but I'm gonna keep it interesting. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'll do it sometime before I log off. Make it a little spicy. Or just wait until next week. I mean, I feel like I need to do it, you know? Like that was pretty good. That was pretty good content right there. That was entertaining, so I'm like I feel good. I feel good that I won. I feel good that I made something entertaining of me freaking out. So I think doing one is okay. As long as you guys are okay with just doing one. Yeah, also to make them last longer, just give away one a day when you win. Yeah, I mean, who would have thought I'd be winning this often? Remember, like last week, I'm like, okay, this is day 5, or it's been a week since we did a giveaway because I never lose or I never win. I think don't do 3 at a time, just do 1 every day. 1 is plenty. You don't even have to do that. Well, I'm trying to give everybody a good chance, you know? Because, like, if you do 1 a day or 1 every time, it's like the chances are really low. But if I do 2 or 3, it's like, okay, you have a good shot. No one do like 3 every winning week or something. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what other people are doing, but I just do I just do it because I like doing it, you know? I like giving things away, especially if I have them. What's the point keeping them? So what's my balance? 451 on my rapid, and then my eval is 1900. Okay. Wow. You've done a lot recently. Can do 1 or 2 today. Yeah. I'm going to do 1 today. But I'm not going to tell you when. Trust me, it's going to be when you guys go watch some other stream, okay? I'm going to know exactly when you guys do that. I'm going to do the giveaway then. Or just get a lot of firms account like Tradeify. Well, I'm hoping my funded futures will give me some accounts, but I'm not big enough. Oh man. If you're gonna go take a dump or something, uh, let me know. I'll take that into consideration when I do it. Okay. But only emergencies. Okay. I'm not gonna not do it just because you're like, okay, I'm gonna go watch someone else now. All right. I want to take a trade, but no proper setup. Then don't take trades, man. You don't have to feel rushed. But it goes both ways, you know? Like if you don't see anything, don't trade. But if you do see something, even though you feel kind of iffy about it, you gotta go. All right, I guess we're going back up now. So yeah, I would have been stopped out of that original long. And then now we're going back up after this brief dump. Whoa. What happened? Uh-oh. What happened, guys? What happened? Holy crap. What? We just did a 50-point move. What the? I'm still shocked. From 602 to 552, yeah. 50 points. I don't think I even have the bottom correct. I wouldn't be surprised if we bounce off of the low. Where's the low? Like this is the low. Yeah, see, look at that. We're definitely reacting off of it. Look at that perfect rejection off of the hourly low. Anybody have anything? I'm looking. Trump and Iran. I mean, I would assume so, but it sounds like something breaking. Breaking news. Trump agreed to continue negotiations with Iran. That doesn't sound bearish. Bro, I got entered into a long on that candle. What? Where? Where did you enter? Forex Factory? Okay. Oh, okay, cool. I see it. Agreed to keep negotiations with Iran going. We're getting. Wait, this is an actual tweet from Trump. The Islamic Republic of Iran has asked us to continue talks. We have agreed to do so, but the United States has stated to them in no uncertain term that the ceasefire is over. Okay, that was 3 minutes ago. So that must be it. I had a stop loss set. Didn't fill stop loss. Got what? So your stop loss didn't get triggered? All right, the war is back on. That's why. Wait, so the financial juice tweet, whatever, this is completely wrong, right? Okay, I guess they made a correction. Because like the first part, because if you just read up to "we have agreed to do so," then it does sound like they're gonna keep negotiating. But he said right after that the ceasefire is over. So the entry got triggered, but I think price moved too fast to fill stop loss. Yeah, that happens. But can you imagine if the price kept going down and your stop loss didn't get filled? Maybe it will. Maybe it'll market sell. But like, who knows where you would sell at when the price is like down in the toilet. I was down $1,000 almost when my candles froze. That is scary, man. I guess that's the nature of the beast. Like, can you imagine trading your cash account right now? Like, at least we're on prop firms. Sure, like this doesn't happen ever. But I mean, it only takes one time to, you know, liquidate you. So I think that's scary stuff. All right, now I'm waiting for tweets how they perfectly saw this coming and people went either short or long to catch the whole move. Then I hit exit and it only triggered on my main account and two accounts in copy trader didn't. I just got them manually getting out. What copy trader are you using? Is it TradeSyncer? That would be my guess. Oh, this was all through the Trading Things platform, built-in copy trade. Okay. Okay. I guess that's not as bad. Because, like, I could see how Trade Syncer here would kind of break. I don't know. Been just as good as Trade Syncer. Yeah. I mean, personally, I didn't have issue with it. But I'm just saying, from the based on the fact that it's web based, and you know, like, I feel like it's a bigger point of failure than having something like an actual software in your on your PC. My setup is there. I don't know if I should trade or get off. I mean, I think it's over the volatility. Honestly, I think we kind of sealed the deal on the day, because I'm sure the price now is gonna just range within this huge candle. What was the news that caused the dump? Trump saying ceasefire is over with Iran. Perfect time for a duck race? Nah. I wasn't even thinking about it, honestly. I just got a short on ES, but I can't take this. Scary. If I'm thinking about it, I just won't enter. I can't imagine like we seeing another volatile candle, unless like Trump is like, psych. What I meant to say is that ceasefire is not over. You're gonna go take a break? Okay, sounds good. If ceasefire is over, then that means war is continued. I would assume so. Because ceasefire means, you stop the fire, but if that's over, you continue the fire. You cease the cessation of firing. Duck swan. Dean, are you here? I like your annotations. They're clean. Sell side liquidity 930, 10 equal highs. PDH previous day high. Buy side liquidity clean. I like that. I like that about ICT. It's like when you mark up the chart, it looks nice, but it doesn't mean it does what you think it will on the chart. Good thing I didn't short. I mean, are we gonna go back to where we were pretty much? Trade I would take, but Trump tweet this would be my first trade of the month. Watch, I'll post the post trade, and we'll see if the ICT is him or not. Nothing like some nice language and drawings to give you a sense of certainty. It's like it's like a forbidden, you know, it's a guilty pleasure. You know, I like seeing some nice annotations on a chart. Only if you can trade off of it. All I got is 2 lines. 2 lines without any text. Last month's trade were kind of similar. Let me upload them. Like, WTF, this is my first time trading New York, then Orange Man tweets. That's funny. Welcome to New York, I guess. But you could, okay, it wasn't as crazy as this, but Asian session is just as volatile now, which is nice. Well, nice if you're on the right side, but we had this huge dump. It looks so small compared to what just happened, but still, this is nice. Like this dump right here, it's not bad. Now from 91 to like, it's like a 10-point move, which is like normal day on a New York session, but Asian is pretty good. Okay, it's like super laggy now. Nowadays, 300 to 400 points daily movement. Yeah. Welcome to the Trump market. I already took my win for this hour, so I'm not going to take this trade, but I might long right here at 89. I would have been filled right here. From 89 to, what is it, 94? 94, yeah. I would have taken this trade this long. Oh my god. that would have been the best trade, no drama. Oh my god. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys earlier. You guys could have get in on that. Yeah, looks good, Dean. I like how it looks. I've blown 2 accounts today. Did you start your evals today and you blown it on the same day? Yeah. I don't know what to say. Are you gonna do a giveaway today? I don't know. Officially homeless. You gotta take your time, man. You can't try to make quick money. Yeah, no giveaway, guys. Wink, wink. Finally, 188 profit. Nice. Good job. Going slow on rapid account. Yeah, I'm going slow too. Step back, guys. I need this giveaway account. Didn't you just win like yesterday or something? Or this week? Don't tell me you already blew that. He won 2 days back, yeah. I passed the apex I won last week. Nice. There's a free account for you then. Well, it's not free because you have to pay the activation fee, but essentially you're paying the activation fee to get a sim funded account, which is cheaper than straight to funding. So let me win giveaway. I won't forget y'all when I'm a millionaire. That would be great. Don't forget me, the actual guy that gave you the account. Me and Steve. Yeah, I'll buy him some toys with your $1 million. All right, let's wait till 11. This is a huge range, so I don't think I'm gonna get anything. Looks like we're kind of going back down to the middle. I guess shorting here, you know, order block, whatever you want to call this, is the right call right there. Dumping hard. Which means, yeah. Is my, okay, it's all updated. Alright, about to hit 11. Why are my lines all off? Oh, you know what? This is the wrong one. This way. Wrong screen. So many traders cursing out Trump right now. Yeah, I would assume so. I'm surprised he did it on a Friday. I feel like he would wait until the market closes, because that's his MO. Unless all his buddies had a limit order right here, ready to buy. Just do like 2 billion ES mini contracts right here. There was definitely some shenanigans. Yeah, I bet this was timed perfectly. There was an order that filled 867 minis. Wow. Short, obviously. Let me see. 5 minutes. Okay. So someone made a ton of money going down, huh? It'd be so easy. Like, can you imagine Trump with his phone, and he writes whatever he wants to do, and then he's like, "Okay, guys, I'm about to send it. Are you guys ready?" Right? That's all he has to do. And 96.75. Oh, what? That's like too good. Too good of an entry. That's wild. All right, let's not give Trump all the credit, okay? I like to think we did a 10M reversal, just like, you know, just like it happens every day. I think 10M reversal played a part. This looks trappy. Everybody and their hamster thinks it's a short, so it would cause most pain if it just went back up. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look that bearish either. Like, could we roll over? Yes, but at the same time, I feel like so far it doesn't. It could go up, and I wouldn't be surprised. That's Nancy Pelosi. Or everybody over there. I don't think it's Trump, as he announced the ceasefire a few days ago. Probably something else. Well, he tweeted right then. So it is triggered by that, triggered by his tweet. But sure, like he's been saying it's the ceasefire is over for a few days now. So maybe it was like a, I don't know. Yeah, it was the catalyst, but it could be something else. I mean, oil hasn't popped back up. That's interesting. All right, what is Apex doing? All right, Apex is lowering their PA activation fees to $59 for all accounts. Let me see. That's a good deal. After the promotion, when does it end? 21st? 11 days? Yo, that's kind of fire. Medi, were you able to take advantage of that? Maybe it's too late. Maybe you did it too early, but apparently it's $59 now. It's a $59 PA activation fee until the 21st on all PAs, on all accounts sizes. I want a retest of 90 too short. 90? Well, we're getting there. You want to sell some calls waiting for a pop? Yeah. You didn't? Ah, that sucks. Oh, this is for intraday PA only, guys. Sorry. So, Medi, if you did end of day, then this doesn't apply. But even as an intraday, that's kind of fire. How much is an intraday 50K? Like 19 bucks? Or maybe it's more. Maybe it's 30 bucks. But 30 bucks plus 59, that's like $89 for a 50K. Let me check my numbers. $50K intraday trail. You did end of day. Okay, so this wouldn't apply to you. $25. Okay, $25 plus 59. I cannot trade the other. I always blow it. Yeah, it's not for everybody. These ads sound are so high. Sorry, I can't control that. I have no control over that. 25. I mean, since let me think. Since the activation fee is the same across all account sizes, so is it like better to go higher this time? But 25 plus 59. Oh, I did 25. $84. $84 for 50K intraday. Okay, it's not like that big of a discount per se, but it's competitive. You hate intraday? I don't think anybody likes intraday. Some people either hates it or they can deal with it, and I feel like I can deal with it. But I hate it just the same. There's nothing good about it. It is too much pressure unless you scalp and auto trail. Too much headache, yeah. Yeah, you can't really go for the big wins if you have intraday. You would have to if you do like crazy ratios, yeah, you would have to kind of move your stop along the way so it doesn't come all the way back down. That's when you get screwed. I still have intraday on my Apex 25k Apex. That's crazy. I mean, you do 1 to 2, so it's not too bad, but still 10 points without changing your stop loss. But hey, if you can do it, that means I have a really good shot because I do 5 to 5, 5 points to 5 points. On 20, yeah. Hey, if it works for you, who am I to say? I don't like it at all, but that's what it is. I mean, you got in those accounts when Apex only had intraday, so you don't really have a choice. And it's crazy that you've kept it alive for this long. So clearly it's not a hindrance to you. Bruh, chill. What? Why are we going up? I mean, I did get it right. I said we're gonna go up. It wasn't that stretch, that much of a stretch. Not gonna say but I called it. Yes, you did call it. You got stopped out? Okay. I mean, I don't think we're out of the woods yet. It'd be wild if we go down. But if you want to talk about putting on maximum pain, like going down now would be the maximum pain. I just followed my plan. That's all I care about. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I don't do candle science. I just follow my plan, and even though it looks bad for me, I just stick to it. As it just rejected on that high, yeah. I mean, so far everything points to we're gonna break the high. Like we're doing a brief pullback, but hey, if you wanna cause maximum pain, that's how you do it. Or even like not even come all the way back down, but like tag this low maybe and then go back up. That could happen. If you look at the 4-hour chart, every time I did this, it broke the highs. Man, look at that 4-hour candle is gross. Wow. I mean, we still have 2.5 hours to have that candle form fully. So I don't know. Anything can happen. Alright, I'm gonna give away one LucidFlex. And go. Alright, that's it. This is annoying, but it's the best way to do it. You know what? Let's just do it without it, or with everything in it. Alright, first place. Oh my god, ads. First place is gonna win it. Good luck. With those characters, everyone looks the same. Okay. Yeah, I guess you can't see who's who if you're kind of off screen, if your name is off screen. So maybe I should keep it next time. I'm dead too soon. Yeah, you probably won't be first. You'll probably fall back. Oh, someone's coming up with the Santa hat. Santa hat. Who's the Santa hat? Who's that? We don't know who that is. Smooth. You're here. Are you here? Alright, cool. You can't even see it? Yeah, it's right here. Oh, is it blocked? Oh, okay. My my webcam's there, huh? We'll move it this way, this over here for that. You know, you want to do a fun one? Okay, sure. Here's a fun one. Do one more? I don't have any more, my guy. Reach out to me, Smooth. I gave out 7 accounts this week, you know? I'm just broke. I'm just a broke boy. Brokey boy. Brokies unite, exactly. All right, looks like we took the high. So we're going up. We're going up higher. What a wild ride. All right, who got first? We don't know. Magnifique. That's funny. The guy that said let's do a fun one wins. There's something poetic about that. One late, yeah. Finally hear ESTP from that first trade. Yeah, I just needed to, you know, have my stop loss like down here, right here. Then I would have been good. Enter right, enter right there, and then I have stop loss right here, and then I would have hit TP. Easy. You guys are telling me you can't do that? You win when you're relaxed and have no expectations. Yeah. That's why for trading you can't live and die by it. You gotta be like, you know what? I don't care if I lose or win. Just let it happen. Wait, no way we're dumping here. Right? That would be nasty. That would be evil. 76.12 looks like a good level for it to push to. I mean, if it does go up there, we technically swept the highs. $94.75. Okay. $94.75. We might get there. 85.5 looks good too if it even gets there. Are you gonna try both? We're getting down to 94. You're gonna try both, okay? Good luck. You're about to hit that one, the first one. Not if the first one works, okay. Getting a decent bounce. All right, Anthony, I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Good wins today. Thank you. Thank you. But hopefully I get to keep it because I'm going to keep trading in the afternoon. Up and down on the 15 minutes. Crazy. Yeah. Telling you, maximum pain. We are dumping. I think we're bearish now. Like look how the hourly candle is forming, you know? You're stopped. What's the second one? 85? Oh, you're about to get tagged on the second one. SK Hynix is IPOing today. That could be a reason too. What's the ticker for SKHY? All right. No data though. I think SK Hynix is a good stock to kind of keep in mind. I'm gonna put that in my watch list, like SpaceX and everything else. Dang, SpaceX down again at 3% almost. They're probably going to try for a doji candle in the 4-hour without direction. That would be gross. are looking bearish. Looks like we bounced right at 86. Of course, I got stopped on the first one and missed on the second one. It could come back down. It might. We might sweep that low one more time before going up. But I think just the way the 1 hour candle is forming with 15 minutes to go, I think we are turning bearish. Because like, if you can imagine the 1 hour candle closing like this has to be, we're gonna open and then dump and go for this low maybe. Unless like we come back up in the next 15 minutes to make this a full body green candle. Yeah, it would be really weird if the 1 hour candle closed with that wick and then suddenly goes back up. It's possible, right? Like I don't really believe in reading the candles because you could say the same thing about this one. But I'm just guessing here. Like you can see here, if we make this kind of a doji candle, we end up continuing. I deleted it, gave the move I was looking for. Yeah. We're pumping up, so we might not wick. We might close above here and make it bullish. 10 points, yeah. Looks like we just hit 10 points from your entry. So irritating. Yeah, I feel you, man. It's like you were right. Your direction was right. It's just that the entry level is that this is where you get people saying, "Oh, why don't you just market order?" Nah. The first one was a C setup. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna head out here, guys. I'm gonna keep trading, but hopefully I don't lose my profits. That would make me sad. But yeah, pretty good week for me this so far. Hopefully this is not my last hurrah before, you know, I start losing next week. But so far so good. Let's keep going. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on Monday. I'll come out with a video later today. Okay? Peace out, guys.